I miss Crash Bandicoot. Remember the game? In the PSP? Was it PSP?
Yep.
Yeah, PSP. And the Pepsi Man game. Oh my goodness, I miss those games. We currently had a toilet stopover. Actually, we're going to Puhoy first. Got to the Puhoy Valley Cafe. Look at the view, it's so nice. I mean, I love the nature. We're just applying sunscreen on our, you know, yeah. And the time is 9:39.
Yeah. Because Filipinos are brown.
Yeah, like me.
You're like bright.
Huh? I'm brown.
Ilak mo na pala.
I'm brown.
Ano ta?
But my feet.
Brown and
You know when
proud.
you're brown, it means you have a happy summertime.
There we go. Let's go. Oh, it's flat. It's here. It's wet. Oops! Thanks for wiping it for me. My turn. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yeah. So we are currently having some ice cream. Their bathroom goals, diba? Look at their bathroom. Let's go. Like what? Hey, whoa! Love. We're gonna go for a walk in there. Village, look out! Oh my god! I'm already tired. Ooh, we're like in a ton. Guys, I love walking. Hashtag I love walking. Okay, guys, so we made it this far. Yeah, we made it this far. Yes, we have to keep on going. Let's go. The view is really pretty. But I'm already tired. Are we allowed to go there? Oh, no, we just keep on going.
Come on,
Your turn.
Careful.
Wait, you didn't even open the door for me. I'm kidding. Hi. Oh, we found a seat. We found a seat. That's the view, you all.
Oh, careful. You have to look there.
I'm gonna go up too. Wow. 1, 2, 3, go. Dun, 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 dun. No, we're like using this as a stage. Guys, we have so many fans here. Hi guys. Feeling famous. Feeling famous. This is what it feels like being famous, guys. Oh no, I'm the last one. Yeah, I'm always the last one. The one who always gets left behind. Oh. It's so hot. So we're having a little stopover again in this place. It's so nice. So we're at the beach. We're just gonna eat first, and then we're gonna go set up our tent, and then we're gonna go swimming. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, some biofuel. I was gonna say thanks. Yeah, it's so hot. Because of me. Kidding.
Mine.
I want the pink. I want the pink. I want the
Okay, let's go. Walk.
He doesn't.